This is questions 1, 3, 4, 6 and 9 from exercise 2.3 in Project Maths 2. We have to write each of these expressions as a single fraction. So we'll start with question 1. We've got 2x over 3 plus 3x over 4. If we're to write this as a single fraction, we first of all need to get the denominator to be the same on both. So we need to find the lowest common multiple between the two numbers that are on the bottom here, between 3 and 4. And the easiest way to do that, usually to find a common multiple, is just to multiply the numbers together, but that won't always give you the lowest number. Although, in this case, it actually will. So 3 times 4 is 12. So 12 is going to be our lowest number. Our common number, even. And then above the line, what we're going to do is 12 divided by 3 is 4. So we're going to multiply the number above 3 by 4. So 4 times 2x, like that. And then 12 divided by 4 is 3, so we're going to multiply the number above 4 by 3, so 3 times 3x like that. Then we multiply them out, we're going to get 8x plus 9x all over 12, which is equal to 17x over 12. And that's that expression written as a single fraction. Let's try the same method with question 3 now. The lowest common multiple between 5 and 3 is 15. So write down 15, draw a line. Now 15 divided by 5 is 3. So you multiply the number above 5 by 3. That's 3 times 2x. And then our minus that's in the middle here is going to stay in the middle in between these two on top. And 15 divided by 3 is 5, so multiply 5 by the number on top, so that's 5 by x. So we're going to get 6x minus 5x all over 15. So we're just going to get x over 15 for question 3. Now question 4 is going to be a little bit longer because we've got more to multiply on top. The lowest common multiple between 2 and 3 is going to be 6. So put our 6 down. And then 6 divided by 2 is 3. So you multiply everything on top of 2 by 3. It's going to be 3 times x plus 1. Our plus that's in between stays in between. And then 6 divided by 3 is 2. So multiply 2 by everything on top of 3, which is x plus 5. Then when we expand those brackets out, we get 3x plus 3 plus 2x plus 10, and that's all still over 6. And then we tidy that up a bit. 3x plus 2x is 5x, and 3 plus 10 is 13, and that's all still over 6, like that. And that's that for question 4. Now question 6 is going to be similar to question 4, but this time we've got a minus in between them. So again, our lowest common multiple between the number on the bottom, between 7 and 3, is 21. And then what we're going to do is 21 divided by 7 is 3, so multiply 3 by everything on top, so that's 3 by 2x plus 3. Our minus that's in between stays in between. And then 21 divided by 3 is 7. So it's going to be 7 times whatever's on top there. X plus 1. When we expand our brackets out, we're going to get 6x plus 9 minus 7x minus 7. And you want to be careful of your signs. The mistake that often gets made is making that last term there a plus 7 because you have a plus 1 in between there. And this is all going to go over 21. And then we tidy this up, 6x minus 7x is going to be minus x, and 9 minus 7 is going to be plus 2. So we get minus x plus 2 all over 21, like that. Now number 9 is a little bit more involved here because we've got 3 terms to deal with, which means with 3 numbers we've got to find the lowest common multiple between the 3 of them. Now what you could do is you could multiply 2 of the numbers together and see if that gets you anywhere. So for example, 9 times 6 is 54, which then you check, is that divisible by 3? It is, but it's also a very large number and it's a bit awkward. but 6 by 3 is 18, and that is divisible by 9. So 18 will actually work for this. So we put 18 down. One big line on top. And the same process as we did for all the others. 18 divided by 6 is 3. So multiply 3 by what's on top of 6. So we got 3 times 4x plus 3. And then this minus that's in between stays there. So it follows along down. And 18 divided by 9 is 2. So we're going to multiply everything above 9 by 2. So that's 2 by 6x plus 4. And then 18 divided by 3 is 6. It's going to multiply 6 by everything that's the top 3, which is just x this time. When we expand our brackets out, we're going to get 12x plus 9 minus 12x minus 8 plus 6x. That's all over 18. And then when we tidy that up on top, 12x minus 12x is 0, plus 6x is 6x, and 9 minus 8 is 1. So we get 6x plus 1 all over 18. And that is that.